10 vocabulary words every remote worker should know. Business English for virtual teams. Working remotely? Then you need to speak remote English. In this video, you'll learn 10 simple but powerful words and phrases that remote workers use every day, so you sound confident and professional on Zoom, Slack, and everywhere in between. Let's upgrade your business English for the virtual world. Welcome to Tech English Pro. This is the channel where we turn business English into bite-sized, useful lessons, especially for tech and remote professionals like you. Let's jump in. Number 1, bandwidth, meaning time or mental energy available. I don't have the bandwidth for this task right now. It's not internet speed, it's your capacity to focus. Very common in project updates. Sync or catch up, meaning have a quick meeting to get aligned. For example, let's sync later this week, used in place of let's meet. Sounds more agile and remote friendly. Asynchronous, meaning work or communication not done in real time. For example, can we keep this async? Just send me your notes. Great for global teams working in different time zones. Touch base, meaning briefly connect or update each other. Example, can we touch base tomorrow morning? It's a friendly, low-pressure way to suggest a meeting. Circle back.
Thank you for joining us. I often note I'm going to circle back. I hate to disappoint conservative Twitter, but I am going to circle back on a number of things, as we often do directly.
Meaning to return to the topic later. Example, let's circle back to this after the deadline. This helps keep meetings moving without saying no. Action items, meaning the tasks that you need to do after the meeting. Example, okay team, here are the action items for this week. It's a clear and professional way to assign responsibility. On the same page, meaning everyone understands the plan. For example, let's review this to make sure we're on the same page. Great for clarifying instructions across global teams. ETA, estimated time of arrival, meaning when something will be ready or delivered. For example, what's the ETA on the new landing page? Used both for physical and digital tasks. Follow-up, meaning to remind or check in on something. For example, just following up on client feedback. This is essential for polite and professional reminders. Loop in, meaning to include someone in a conversation or a task. For example, let's loop Sarah in on this email thread. This means that you want to add them to the discussion. Especially useful for Slack or email. Let's recap. Bandwidth, sync, async, touch base, circle back, action items, on the same page, ETA, follow up, and loop in. Drop a comment. Which one do you hear the most at work? And hit that subscribe button for more real business English for remote and tech professionals. No fluff, just what you need to thrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.